TMC tickets. Last time you had Lakshmi Ratan Shukla, and both Manoj and Ashok Dinda, we are told, are leading at the moment.
But the one batsman who's expected to pad up is staying at his home in the Badapada, where he didn't decide to pad up at all. He's watching,
I can tell you,
he's
Saurabh,
watching all of what is being said.
No one has tracked this election in the last few weeks as closely as Saurabh Ganguly. I saw, when I met him, I told him, it appears you're tracking Bengal political league even more closely than you're tracking what's happening in the IPL. And he smiled. But look, I think...
Would he have made a difference, you think?
You see, he would have made the election almost presidential, which I think ran a risk that it would become Mamta versus Saurabh, where she could have said, look, I'm the experienced leader, he's just a novice. On the other hand...
But he's an icon in
On the other hand, it would have given the BJP a real face and, removed the one of the arguments that Mamta's team had, that this is a party of outsiders. Here we would have had the homegrown Dada versus the homegrown Didi. Would have been a great contest.
I just don't think that he believes in Hindutva in the way that the BJP sees it. He's born and brought up in a communist ruled state at that time. His family largely has left leanings. His whole
Nothing like that, Rahul. He knows when to leave the ball outside the off stump. He'd always get out outside the off stump. That was the biggest problem. On the cricket field, he struggled with the... he was a great cover driver, but also struggled outside the off stump. In politics, he's decided, I don't want to take any risks. I'm the president of the board of cricket in India. I'm getting all these advertisement contracts. I'm a Bengali icon. I do these quiz shows. Once you get into politics, you're taking a risk. Let's be clear, politics is a bit of a huge risk.
But he is a risk taker, at least on the field he was. Here, I think also because of his health. He just decided his family, his wife, his daughter, just put all pressure on him. And he had serious pressure from the BJP to come on board and bat for the team.
Anurag Thakur was being used.
All of them. Amit Shah's son, Amit Shah
used to tell him, Aa jao. And, Saurabh would say, I'm thinking about it. He never said no. Let's be clear. Saurabh never said an outright no from what I hear. He said, I will think about it.
He did. Whenever people spoke to him, he told them, sir, this is not my thing. I don't want to do this. He was there was a period when it seemed to the BJP that he'd come on board. The BCCI secretary, who's part of Saurav's team at the BCCI, Jai Shah, also personally requested Saurav Ganguly to come on board, but he wasn't ever comfortable with the idea of actually doing it.
It's easier to hit a cover drive and score a century on debut at Lord's than to win your first election. Winning elections is much more difficult.
But imagine they were willing to offer him chief ministership. It would have been like a century on debut at the Lord's at Eden Gardens.
Sure, but if you don't win, then it sets you back for
But you're still the number 2 leader in the state then.
Yeah, but I think Saurabh decided to play safe. Good luck to him. Look, he's been an icon both in Bengal and India. And sometimes when you get into politics, especially the polarized politics of Bengal...
something very interesting happened. There was this...
You lose your iconic image.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi was to be at the parade ground. There was a huge buzz that Saurav Ganguly was going to be at that rally. Mamta Banerjee actually called up Saurav Ganguly's wife.
Yes.
And spoke to her. And said, what is this that these channels in Bengal are running? That Saurav is going to be at that rally. Is this correct or not? And Saurav Ganguly is wondering, why is she calling? Why is she calling my wife? She couldn't call me. She knows me so well. So then the wife put Saurav Ganguly on the line. And he said, no, I'm not going. So there was this buzz. But Saurav Ganguly was pretty clear. He just felt safer, more comfortable staying out of politics.
I think by the end, he was very clear in his mind. But I think he has huge interest in politics.
But he also has a political instinct. See,
yes,
he has a political instinct. Whether it was against John Wright or in the team, he has a political instinct. Like Dravid doesn't have a political instinct.
I wrote in my book, Democracy is 11, that if there is anyone who's going to become a cricketer who's going to become board president, it is Saurav Ganguly, because he enjoys politics. And the BCCI is as political as it can get. So he won that election. Eventually, Amit Shah propped him up. So there is that, there is a factor where Amit Shah did play a role in making Saurav Ganguly BCCI president. But look, in the end, what did the BJP throw up at that big meeting? Mithun Chakraborty. And I was a great fan of Mithun Chakraborty in the 1970s and 80s. I remember films like Suraksha, and he was the disco dancer of our generation.
But he's not Saurav Ganguly.
No, he's not Saurav Ganguly.
He's with all respect to him.
He's a more laid-back, easy-going man. He's not into the sort of interstices of politics.
No, but he's also not a youth icon any longer.
He's good to have. I am young So, I was a great fan of Mithun Chakrabarti. How can you say he's not
Okay,
a
I
youth
have no
icon?
comments to
He's
offer on
my
that.
icon from
Let's-
the Suraksha days. Come on, Rahul.
Let's go back.
You're calling me old.
No, I'm not calling you old at all in
Thank
the
you.
least. Not at all. अभी तो आप जवान हो and you got a long way to go.
Thank you.
Okay.
अभी तो हम जवान हैं. अभी तो शुरुआत है.
But just don't link yourself with Mithun Chakrabarti.
Not at all.
But Mithun did draw crowds out for the BJP. But Saurav would have been a far more serious player if he'd padded up. He's chosen not to pad up and stay and watch. And I'm betting my dollar once this gets over that he's most likely watching India Today at this time and he'll have a thing or two to tell the both of us. But we'll deal with that later. Let's look at the seat matrix of the state of West Bengal. We have 106 leads for the Trinamool. The BJP currently leading at 102. This is a tight fight. You know, this really is reminding me of Mumbai Indians versus Chennai Super Kings. You got two strong teams, evenly poised, and they are duking it out. And it's a very tight fight. 106 versus 103 at this moment.
And it is tightening up a bit.